urgent, weather message, National Weather Service Huntsville AL, 1147 AM Central Daylight Time Friday, March 31, 2023. Lauderdale-Colbert-Franklin Al-Lawrence-Limestone-Madison-Morgan, Marshall-Jackson DeKalb Cullman Moore Lincoln Franklin TN, including the cities of Florence, Muscle Shoals, Sheffield, Tuscumbia, Russellville, Red Bay, Moulton, Town Creek, Athens, Huntsville, Decatur, Albertville, Boaz, Guntersville, Arab, Scottsboro, Fort Payne, Rainsville, Cowan, Lynchburg, Fayetteville, Winchester, Sewanee, Decherd, Estill Springs, and Cowan. 1147 AM Central Daylight Time Friday, March 31, 2023. Wind advisory now in effect from 4 p.m. this afternoon to 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday, Watt. Southwest winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts of 40 to 50 miles per hour, expected, where portions of north central, northeast and northwest, Alabama and southern middle Tennessee. When, from 4 p.m. this afternoon to 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday, impacts, gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects, tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Precautionary preparedness actions. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects, and